Today we will learn how to use the syllabus, grades, and attendance form. On your main portal, you will scroll down and look on the right-hand column for a grades and forms section. Here you will find syllabus grades and attendance submissions form. This is the one you want to click. It loads the first page of the form and you will put in your first name, your last name, the division that you're teaching in, the term you're reporting for, your course code, and the section that you are currently reporting. Keep in mind that you have to repeat this process for every course and every section that you taught that semester. When you're completed on that page, you click Next. And here, this is page number 2 of your form. This is where you are able to upload your syllabus, your grades, and your attendance sheet. Let's start with uploading the syllabus. Click on Upload File. You may have to navigate on your computer to find your file. I am going to take my syllabus PDF file. You can also use a Word document if you want. Both can upload just fine. Click Open. And you see that it automatically loads into this form. Next, I will be attaching grades, and I have a spreadsheet for that. So it's an Excel sheet, and I'm going to click Open again. And again, it loads automatically. For in-person classes, you will also need to upload an attendance sheet unless your attendance is a second sheet on your Excel file. Then that's already included, so you don't need to duplicate. Otherwise, you would follow the same process. Click Open File, find it on your computer, and click Open, and that it would automatically load. You click Send. Check this box so that you can get a receipt of your responses here. And when you are all done with uploading your files, you click on Submit, and that would be the end. Thank you.